Well, today I'm going to do a little bit of clearing here. I've actually removed a couple trees here in the process. But what I have is I'm going to be using the backhoe to actually push these trees on over. They're actually quite tall, and it's really the safest way to put these things on down. And of course I have my chipper over there, and so it's a perfect setup for really doing all the clearing. I'm just more or less just going to push the trees on over, and then once I have the trees pushed over, then I'll go ahead and cut them on up and chip all the brush that is associated with the tree. And ultimately what I want to do is I want to go all the way back in the tree area, and at some point I'd really love to actually build another garage back here. These trees are tall. They're really, in my opinion, too close to the house. So there's actually some added benefit to actually taking these things on down. Plus there's very little grass grows underneath these trees. The acidity, I'm guessing, of the pine needles themselves is part of the problem. And I'd really like to, like I say, clear some of this area. So I'm going to be showing a little video here on the process itself, and so we'll see how things go. But at least this is the starting point, less a couple trees here. So that's it for now.